everyone, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw from CT Pool mining. First, log into your account. Access your CT Pool or Crypto tab dashboard. You may need to log in using one of your linked social network accounts to access withdrawal options. Next, check your bank account. Ensure that you have reached the minimum withdrawal limit. The minimum withdrawal amount is generally low, but this may vary slightly for the dedicated CT Pool app, so check the specific terms. Then, navigate to the withdrawal section. Look for a withdraw or cash out option in your account menu or financial section. Next, enter your external wallet address. You will need a personal Bitcoin wallet address from a non-custodial wallet like Exodus or a centralized exchange like Coinbase to receive the funds. Double check the address as transactions cannot be reversed. Next, specify the amount. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to withdraw. Then, confirm your request. Follow any on-screen prompts, which might include a security verification step like a CAPTCHA puzzle or email confirmation. And finally, allow processing time. Withdrawal requests typically take some time to process and appear in your external wallet, depending on network congestion and the pool's processing schedule. Some important considerations. While the Crypto tab platform itself may not charge withdrawal commissions, you will incur standard network transactions, aka gas fees, for the Bitcoin transfer, which can affect small withdrawal amounts. You must withdraw to an external cryptocurrency wallet. From there, you can transfer the funds to a centralized exchange like Binance or Kraken to sell for fiat currencies like US dollar and euro and withdraw them to your bank account. The CT Pool app requires regular logins and check-ins to keep mining active, and failure to do so can interrupt your earnings. Ensure you maintain regular access to your account to manage withdrawals. If you experience issues or delays, you can contact support via the feedback link provided within the application or their website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.